guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's Sunday and today I have my first ever collaboration shoot, and so let's get ready and do our makeup and then meet. Bye bye. Okay, so we will start with our makeup and our hair. So first we will do our hairs and I'm going to straighten them. I'm using my hair straightener from Remington and I'm going to set the temperature on 190 degrees. We will just take some sections and we'll just straighten them like this. Okay, we'll straight all my hairs and I will come back. Okay, so I'm done with my hairs and now we will do our skincare and then we will do our makeup. Okay, so we will do our skincare first after our hairs. I'm just going to clip them like this, and first I'm going to use is my face toner. Like I will do my basic skincare first. I am really excited, but I'm so nervous for this shoot because first time I'm going somewhere apart from my home and I'm going to shoot this. I'm so excited yet I'm so nervous. So after toner we are going to apply is the moisturizer. I'm using the Cetaphil one. Now the most important thing is SPF. So I'm using this SPF which was given to me by my dermatologist and I'm going to use this. So we are done with our skincare and now we are going to start with our makeup, but I'm not going to do a lot of makeup because we are going to travel a lot and I don't want my face to look cakey and all because of that foundation and everything. So I'm going to keep it very subtle and very minimal. I'm just going to do like my brows and blush, mascara and lip, that's it. So for that I'm going to use this brow pencil which I use every day. Fill them and do it like really quickly. Stunning, very straight. Alright, so we are done with the brows and now we are going to apply is the blush from Benefit, and this is my most favorite blush. So we will and now on top of this blush I'm going to apply this powder blush from Nykaa Cosmetics, and I like a lot of blush. We are done. Now for my lashes I'm going to apply is this mascara from Maybelline. This is their Sky High mascara and this is so good. Like you just apply 2 to 3 coats of this mascara and you will get the finish of fake lashes and everything. So I just love this. Can you see this? And now for our lips. So now for our lips we are going to use this lip liners from Swiss Beauty. I'm going to use this shade. It's Cocoa Nude 03 and I'm just going to line my lips and fill in with the gloss. And now we will apply is this lip gloss from Inside and we are ready to go. So that's it, we are done with our hairs and our makeup. Now we will just change our outfit and we'll wear the earrings and let's meet. So I've changed and I'm wearing this very cute and very chic blue satin shirt, and for my earrings I'm going to wear are these small little white pearled hearted shaped earrings, pearl hearted shape, whatever. So we will just wear them. Okay, so we are done with our accessories, with our makeup and with our outfit and everything. So let's go now. So thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, bye.